I'm from Huoje, Sichuan cuisine. Kung Pao chicken is one of the most famous Sichuan dishes in the world. Although it is a home-style delicacy, it is not so easy to achieve precise seasoning. Take the leg meat of a cock. After removing the bone and spreading it, chop it with the back tip of a knife in the fascia. Then, cut the leg meat into strips. Cut into 1.5 centimeter cubes of chicken. Add soy sauce. Grasp the cooking wine evenly, and then size it with water and starch. Tack for about 5 minutes. Then cut and mix the ingredients. Cut the scallion into sections about 1 centimeter wide. Slice the ginger and garlic. The peanuts are fried to be crisp in advance. Then add salt and white pepper to the sauce bowl. Vinegar and soy sauce. White sugar, water and starch. Stir well for later use. Heat the cooked rapeseed in a wok and heat the oil to 60%. Add dried chili and Chinese prickly ash. And remove. And then add that dried chili segment, the Chinese prickly ash, the scallion stalk segments, the garlic slices and the old ginger slice again to taste. Pour in the chicken cubes and stir quickly. Stir fry over high heat until the chicken is broken. Quickly add sauce and stir well. Finally, add the remaining scallion segments and fried peanuts and stir well. Salty, sweet and sour, spicy and rich taste of Kung Pao chicken is finished. We better choose the leg meat of Zigong chicken to make Kung Pao chicken. The leg meat tastes more chewy than the breast meat, and it's more nourishing. Kung Pao chicken is a combination of spicy flavor and small particle flavor. In our Sichuan cuisine satellite, it smells spicy first, then the entrance is salty and fresh, then the flavor, the soup flavor, and finally the spicy flavor. When you eat a chestnut, the feeling of the chestnut is first sour, and then sweet. So when we mix the lychee flavor, it is certain that the ratio of vinegar to sugar is 3:2, which is also a traditional flavor of Sichuan cuisine. The spicy beard comes from the pepper choking out of the pot. So the purpose of our pepper is to put it into the pot twice. The first time we put it into the pot is to choke out its taste. The second is to maintain its color and luster, but also to increase its spicy paste. Generally speaking, only scallions and ginger will be added to the standard of Kung Pao chicken, garlic and peanuts, because it will spit water, which will affect the taste of Kung Pao chicken. The cooking of Sichuan cuisine is characterized by a single pot of stir-frying. When we cook Kung Pao chicken at home, the chicken leg meat actually does not need to be lubricated. Finally, I would like to remind you that when you fry Kung Pao chicken, you must mix it well again.